Ballet Ballerina core inspired bedroom tour. I am so excited to share my bedroom tour with you. I've created a beautiful ballerina core inspired bedroom. I just love how it turns out. I got my beautiful coquette book that I've made myself. Then I have a ballerina slipper, a beautiful ballerina card, and a pretty bow with a little rosette. Then I have some tea in my favorite teacup and some beautiful flowers. I just love to make beautiful flower arrangements. Then I have made myself a delicious cup of tea in my favorite little teacup with some delicious chocolates from Lotte. I also got this beautiful little swan, and I added a little pink rose. Then I have some tea with a delicious macaroon. I just love how pretty everything looks, and it really reminds me of a ballerina core inspired bedroom. Then I've got my favorite china and my favorite little teacup, a beautiful rose trinket box. I just love this little setup. It's so pretty, and I just love to have a delicious cup of tea in my bedroom. I think everything looks so pretty in pink. I also made this beautiful flower arrangement, and I've made an extra cup of tea because I love to have a lot of tea. Then I have this beautiful card with a beautiful ballerina princess. I love this little book that I've made myself. Then I have my favorite dresses hanging in my bedroom. My ballerina core inspired vanity. This is my vanity. I just love how it turned out. I have my favorite beauty products and my favorite hair care products. Then I just love to light some beautiful candles in my bedroom. I just love this little setup on my vanity. Everything looks so pretty. Then I've got a beautiful candle and a little trinket box with some ballerina slippers and my favorite makeup. I just love the packaging. It's so pretty. Then some delicious treats from Lotte. They are having my favorite treats. I love this candle that I found from the TK Maxx. It has a little bow. And then I have my favorite Love Shack Fancy perfume and this beautiful trinket box. I just love to decorate the vanity. It looks so pretty. I just love all the pretty details. Everything looks so pretty. And I'm so in love with how this vanity turned out. Then I have my little dresses. I just love to collect some beautiful lace dresses. I just love my vanity with my mirror. It's my favorite little corner in our home. I just love the pretty details of all of these beautiful dresses. I've got this gorgeous dress from Lace Made, and I think it's so beautiful. I love all the pretty details. Then I have some beautiful Ballerina inspired Vanity essentials, and my favorite little teacup. I just love the little florals, and my favorite Love Shack Fancy perfume, my beautiful candle with a pretty pink bow, and my pretty Ballerina inspired trinket box. I just love all the little details. They're so pretty. Some delicious treats from Lotte, which are my favorite. I just love all these beautiful details. So this was my Ballerina core inspired bedroom tour. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!